In the last video, I have explained the first step of the calculation of fund flow statement with the help of problem. Next is the second step, that is preparation of ledger accounts or the preparation of non-current items. So here we have if there is any hidden information prevailing in any particular account, then the ledger account is open to locate the hidden information in order to find out the hidden information. So these are the formats of the ledger account. The fixed asset, that is machinery account, to balance brought down is the opening balance, debit side it will come. Then buy balance carried down is the closing balance, so credit side it will come. Then we have to write the difference. So if there is any difference, that is to cash or buy cash will come, balancing figure. To cash means purchase, buy cash means sales. So this is the format of the machinery account, ledger account. Next is the provision for taxation account, ledger account. So provision for taxation is a non-current liability. So that's why the opening balance will come in the credit side, that is buy balance brought down. Then the closing balance will come in the debit side, to balance carried down. If there are 2 years information is given, in 2013 will come here, 2014 will come here. So that is about that. Next is this is the opening and it is the closing. Next, if there are any tax paid during the year, if the business pays tax during the year, then we have to record to cash account, that is income tax paid. Then the balancing figure will go to buy adjusted profit and loss account. That is the third step. There it will consider. We have to record. So the balancing figure will go to buy adjusted profit and loss account. So these are the format to prepare the ledger accounts. So I'll solve the problem related to the second step, that is preparation of non-current items ledger accounts. So this problem, this is second problem. Following prepare provision for tax and machinery account. So here they have given opening provision for tax, then closing provision for tax, tax paid during the year. So all this information related to the provision for tax account. Then plant and machinery on 1/1/2013. That means it is a previous year, right? So it is the opening balance. Next, depreciation on plant and machinery. So where it will come, credit side of machinery account. Next, plant and machinery on 1/1/2014 means it is the closing balance of plant and machinery. Next, they have given a piece of machinery costing 12,000 was sold for 8,000 and depreciation was 7,000 had been provided on it. So this one we'll see while solving the problem. This is the solution. First we'll prepare the provision for tax account. So we'll see the information related to that. Provision for tax account. So they asked to prepare provision for tax account. So here we have the opening provision for tax. So 20,000, where it will come for in the provision for a tax account, where it will come in the credit side, opening balance. Buy balance brought down 20,000. Next is the what is there next? Next is the closing balance of closing provision for tax. They have given 30,000. So where closing balance will come here in the provision for tax account, to balance carried down 30,000. Record that. Done. So next is what they have given, tax paid during the year, that is 25,000. So when the company is paying tax, it is the outflow of cash, right? So provision for tax account debited to cash account or bank account it will come, that is 25,000. So we have recorded the opening balance, closing balance and tax paid. So only 3 information given in the problem. So the balance, now we have to make a total. So here it is 55,000. So here it is less. So record that 55,000 both the sides. Then 55,000 minus 20,000, you will get 35,000. So that is the balancing figure. It will go to buy adjusted profit and loss account, that is provision for tax during the year. So this is the ledger accounts related to the provision for tax account. Next, they asked us to prepare the machinery account. So next they have given information regarding machinery. Plant and machinery on 1/1/2013, that is 5 lakh they have given. That means that is the opening balance, right? So now next we have to prepare plant and machinery ledger account. So opening balance, where it will come? Debit side, because it is an asset. So to balance brought down 5 lakh. Next, what is given in the problem? They have given the depreciation. So depreciation on plant and machinery during the year 50,000. So depreciation, where it will come? By depreciation account, that is profit and loss account it will go, that is 50,000. Record in the credit side. Next, what information we have? That is plant and machinery on 1/1/2014. It is 8 lakh. So it is the 1/1/2014 means it is the closing balance of plant and machinery account. So opening we have recorded in the debit side, closing we have to record in the credit side, that is 8 lakh by balance carried down. Next, what information we have? Next, they have given a piece of machinery costing 12,000. It was sold for 8,000 and depreciation of 7,000 has been charged. So the cost is 12,000, but we have sold at 8,000. But this is the cost. For this we have to from this we have to deduct the 7,000 depreciation. After charging the depreciation only, the actual value or closing value of the machinery will comes, right? So how to calculate that? 12,000 is the cost of the machinery minus 7,000 is the depreciation. We will get 5,000. So that is the cost of goods sold, or the cost, and the 5,000 is the cost, and it has sold for the 8,000. That means there is a profit. Difference is 3,000, right? Cost is 5,000, but they have sold for 8,000 means they have sold for 3,000 profit. So the profit is 3,000. Profit will come here to profit and loss account. Profit on sale we have to record here. So we have recorded the profit, the sales. When we sell the asset, we will receive the cash, right? So we have to record that also, that is by bank account or cash account sales 8,000. So we have recorded all the transactions, items that are related to the plant and machinery. Now we will make a total. So this side total is, it is 8,58,000. So write the total both the sides. The difference is the 3,55,000, that is the balancing figure to bank account. So these we have prepared the ledger accounts of provision for tax account and plant and machinery account. So with that we have calculated we have done with the second step, that is the preparation of necessary ledger account. So this problem is related to that second step of calculation of fund flow statement. Thank you.